So last week I've been scrolling to YouTube feed and I've seen a really funny video that's attracted my attention. How to make the perfect chocolate chip cookies. I've watched it, and rewatched it again because I really liked it and it looks so delicious and easy to bake. And I said I'll definitely make a video about it. Then I watched it and rewatched it again and again. I mean, a lot of times so I don't miss details. But the results was definitely not as I expected. Luckily, I've had all the ingredients at home, but since we're making chocolate chips cookies, we need chocolate chips. Please do not buy this kind of chocolate and buy this one, this little one. You can also add extra black chocolate. So after preparing the ingredients, let's jump into it. So you'll need an egg yolk, 1 cup and 3/4 of a cup of bread flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a half a cup of white sugar. But it's recommended to use a 1 cup white sugar and half cup of brown sugar if you have it. And of course the delicious chocolate chips and chocolate chunks, and 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 cup of melting brown butter. So let's boil that butter. It will take a while because we're gonna go one step further and brown it. After a few minutes of boiling, the milk solids and the butter are gonna start to toast, and it's make really noisy sounds. Nobody wanna hear that. So let's hear nice things instead.
Like a state speech champ, too afraid to speak. I didn't know I was where to be. And it went on and it went on and on. I was a good guy.
Keep stirring it, and once you can see the dark brown base on the bottom, you're gonna pour it off into a liquid measuring cup or just a simple cup in general. You'll end up pulling off a good amount of liquid. So you're just gonna add a little bit of water until we reach 1 cup.
I've been looking for a reason to look the other way.
Now ingredients are ready, let's mix.
Waiting here forever. It's getting old, it's getting late. Even in the dead of night I see that this routine is killing me. So let's wake 'em up, I'll wake 'em up, our sleeping dog.
Then I started mixing the flour and salt and baking soda together.
Stay at me, honesty, because it always takes the piss out of me. I don't need a reason to get happy.
Now the best part of all, and the last one, let's mix it with chocolate chips and chocolate chunks.
I was a backseat driver, scared to steer my head clean. Like a state speech champ, too afraid to speak. I didn't know I was where to be. And it went on and it went on and on.
And trust me, in that exact moment, it smells so good.
Stuck with Anna in the choir that couldn't sing aloud. Liar seeking honest love. And it went on and it went on and on. Turn me around, I would build it up.
Well, honestly, after baking it and putting it in the oven directly, it turns out to be horrible. It had a horrible form, but it tastes, after all, good. I thought that the problem is in the mold, so I got one and it turns out to be better. But I left the rest of the pieces in the fridge to chill over the night, and the next day I added some flour to them and I tried to bake them for an hour, of course, and it turns out to be so much better. They are the final results. Thus, I can say that I'm satisfied about. That was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I've got a big plan for this holiday. Next time we'll talk about really useful subjects. We'll talk about skills that you can learn during this summer and that can help you earn money, and how to fight laziness, and how to use and enjoy this summer in the best way you could. That's it, guys. So please support the channel by sharing, subscribing, and the most important thing, leaving a like. We're trying to reach 14 likes on this video. thanks for watching and have a great day.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've nothing at her rolling and you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and only stole me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted.